What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Milady meme coin will absolutely crush it. And you know, there's gonna be people that fade, there's gonna be people that panic sell, that don't have diamond hands, you know. They want a chart to be up only. And I'm sorry, charts don't work like that. There's gonna be retraces along the way on charts, man. So if you're a diamond hander, you holding Miladies going into the next bull cycle, you gotta shake your hand, man. Like the video, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, guys. We're gonna dive right into Milady in this one. Take a look at the chart and some interesting information as well. Title of the video: Japan is buying Miladies, Asia is buying Miladies, and I'm gonna show you guys why in this video. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose when it comes to crypto, man. So right here, Miladies, 18,600 people on the watch list, down 5.62%. A lot of people are already turning bearish because the chart is not up only. We're down. We're just under $30 million in market cap with $5.2 million in 24-hour trade volume, right? You know, if a chart was just up only all the time, that would be insane. But charts don't work like that. Even some of the most bullish charts still have corrections, right? So yeah, if you were thinking about getting into ladies, are you gonna buy the red days? Are you gonna buy the fear? What is the fear and greed index looking like? 61 greed, right? Bitcoin just under $31,000, guys. It's Tuesday, guys, and the week just started. We still got some days, and you never know if some bullish news could come out for the rest of the week, and then Bitcoin starts pushing up, right? When Bitcoin starts to push up, what will ladies do, guys? I'm telling you, don't rule out these possibilities for, you know, all of a sudden the price starts to turn around. People are like, whoa, I can't believe I panic sold. I can't believe I sold too early. I should have held. Don't be one of those people, guys. Don't fall into that trap. As you guys can see, ladies is following the Bitcoin chart, retracing down because Bitcoin is retracing that back down a bit. But I'm telling you, one moment, and then all of a sudden we start to see another breakout to that 34 to 36k range, right? We had a bunch of bullish days in the Bitcoin chart and the ladies chart, so it's only right that we get a correction, man, because it's still around 2x up from these lows, you know, back in June, right? Back in June, man. So yeah, it's still around, you know, 100%, 80% up, guys. So we'll see what happens, man. From Tree and Kim, just bought the dip, now officially owned more than 300 billion ladies. What a nice bag. The more it dipped, the better the opportunity for buyers. Long hodl. Happy 4th of July to you and your family, ladies and gentlemen. I like the pun right there. I'm the number one whale. I do believe in ladies. I'm buying more. From Allen NFT, I read this earlier. Such a great write-up. 25% of total supplies owned by two entities, 75% owned by the community, including exchanges. This is a reasonable distribution with normal risk. However, it would be wise for everyone to keep the greed under control in order to give this coin a chance to grow. It does have much more potential than Shiba Inu, and I completely agree with that, man. I completely agree with Alan there, guys. I completely agree with Alan. This project has way more potential than Shiba does, and it's at $30 million in market cap. 100x from $30 million in market cap, guys, is crazy numbers, man. $3 billion in market cap, and that's only half of what Shiba Inu is at right now. I think Shiba is at $6 billion in market cap. Not to mention, since this project is brand new, there's not a bunch of underwater bag holders in this project, right? So it could potentially go even further than that going into the bull cycle. Remember, when it comes to bull cycles always blows people's expectations out of the water, guys. Shout out to Chris. Ladies moon soon, right? I'm telling you guys, don't miss out, man. I really have conviction on this one. I really think it's gonna crush it going into the next bull cycle. So, you know, don't worry about the red days at all, guys. This is a time when you DCA into projects, in my opinion, right? Not financial advice. But yeah, I'm buying the red days. 66.6k followers on Twitter. Oh man, that's not a great number right there. But you know, it could be some luck, you know. It could create some luck, right? As the sun graces us with its presence, we are excited to announce that something big is coming our way. Stay tuned for a special release with ladies. They got something planned, guys. They got something planned incoming for you guys with the ladies team, man. Don't fade them. It's only a few projects that get listed on crypto.com and KuCoin, man. It's only a few. Not often do they get listed on exchanges like that, guys. Coinbase and Binance could be next. From Main City Empire, those who sold their ladies bag this early will horribly regret not being patient. And that is a fact, okay? This is the time when the diamond hands are tested. Like CZ said, CZ Binance says, if you can't hold, you won't be rich. And right here, when I said Japan, Asia is buying, look at this from Bin Soning. This is an Asian person with 29k followers. You see this? 29.3k followers, guys. Introducing ladies, empowering women, championing equality and embracing free speech. Join the crypto revolution that supports gender equality, inspired by Elon Musk. Let's break barriers, shatter glass ceilings, and celebrate our voices together. Hashtag ladies, hashtag empowerment. And I'm telling you guys, you see that? Remember, Elon is the richest man in the world, and his reach is ginormous, right? So imagine the amount of people. That's why I said this meme will go down in history. This tweet from Elon will go down in history, and that's why ladies will always have that Elon appeal to it, right? Just like Baby Doge, right? It's always gonna have that Elon appeal because that tweet will be there on his timeline. And you see that the Asian community saw it as well. The whole world saw this tweet, man. The whole world. I mean, as long as they're using Twitter, right? How many users are on Twitter? Because most people on Twitter always sees Elon tweets. So right here, guys, you guys already know Elon is the richest person in the world. Majority of the world knows who Elon is, right? The majority of them follow him on Twitter and at least see his tweets every now and again, right? So I just googled it. How many users on Twitter, right? 450 million monthly active users, and a good portion of that follow Elon, right? And that's why Asia, people like Bin Soning and his community is following the project. And again, another Asian person, Torrenti, saying if you tie it with a mustache, the descending wedge will continue. Good weight here, but he has a descending wedge drawn. It could retrace more for ladies, but then after the descending wedge, guess what happens? It breaks out of that triangle, guys, to the upside, you know. Again, Asian community once again, man. And right here we have from Arbitrum Hub, because ladies is on Ethereum and Arbitrum. Biggest growth tokens in Arbitrum in the last 24 hours. Ladies Memecoin. This was from a few days ago, guys, and you guys can see ladies up against all of these other projects on Arbitrum, man. Crazy stuff, guys. I wouldn't rule out the potential for this, guys. Ladies fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, please join the Patreon. I personally recommend my my crypto elite tier. This is where you get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts. You guys just saw a little glimpse. I'm not gonna give you the whole thing, but I recently just posted another buy alert on my Patreon, and you know, talking about Pulse Chain, right? That's another new blockchain that came out. Not much people are talking about it. That's some alpha that you could only get on the Patreon, and you also get access to my private Discord, so don't miss out, guys. Again, ladies community, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views. Go support the previous ladies videos, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.